Have you ever been talking to a friend and suddenly forgot a simple word? You know the word, you can almost feel it, but it just won't come out. It is a common struggle for every English learner. This happens to everyone. In English, we have a perfect way to describe this feeling. Learning this idiom will help you explain these moments and sound much more natural when you speak. Let's look at a funny story. Meet Tom. Tom was at a restaurant with his friend Sarah. Sarah was curious about a movie they saw. Tom said, "Oh, I know it. It is on the tip of my tongue." Sarah took him literally. She looked at Tom's mouth and said, "Tom, I don't see any movie title on your tongue. Is it a sticker? Or did you write it there with a pen?" Of course, Tom didn't mean there was something physically on his tongue. Tip of my tongue is an idiom. It means you are sure you know a word, but you cannot remember it right now. This idiom is very old. It describes the physical feeling of a word being close to your mouth but not quite ready to be spoken. It has been used for hundreds of years. Now, let's see the correct way to use it. Sarah asked about the movie again. Tom thought hard. He knew the name. He just needed a moment for it to come back. He said, "Wait, it's on the tip of my tongue. It starts with a B. Oh, I remember. It is Big Hero 6. Sarah laughed and agreed. That is how you use it. Here is an example. I know that actor's name. It's on the tip of my tongue. Use this when you are talking about people's names that you have forgotten. Another example is, what is that song called? The title is on the tip of my tongue. This is perfect for when you can hear the music in your head but can't name it. To remember this, imagine a little bird sitting on the very tip of your tongue. The bird is the word. It is almost ready to fly out of your mouth into the world. This feeling is universal. In some languages, they say the word is stuck in the throat, but in English, we say it is on the tongue. It shows how we think about speaking. Similar phrases you can use are, "It's coming to me," "I almost have it," or "It's just escaped me." These all mean you are trying to remember something. The opposites are, "I have no idea," "My mind is a blank," or "I've completely forgotten." Use these when you really do not know the answer at all. Related idioms include rack your brain, which means to think very hard. Ring a bell means something sounds familiar. Slip my mind means you forgot. A common grammar mistake is saying, "in my tongue." Remember to use the word on. The word is sitting on top of your tongue, not inside it. Another mistake is using this for things you never knew. You can only use it for names or words that are already in your memory, but just hard to find. Time for a quiz. What does it mean if something is on the tip of your tongue? A. My tongue is sore. B. I almost remember the word. C. I am eating something. Think carefully. The correct answer is B. It means you almost remember the word. Great job if you chose B. You are becoming an idiom master. Today we learned about the phrase, tip of my tongue. It is a great way to talk about those moments when your memory is just a little bit slow. Keep practicing. Have you ever had a word on the tip of your tongue? Share your story in the comments. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.